Happy New Year 2026! As the world celebrates new beginnings, it's time to ask yourself, is your digital life as fresh as your new calendar? Or are you still using the same weak passwords from 2020? Welcome to the first major episode of Lodhi Insights. Today, we aren't just making resolutions. We are building a digital fortress. In this video, I'll give you a 3-step checklist to ensure that 2026 is your most secure year ever. Let's dive in. Step 1, the digital cleanup. Most of us have dozens of apps we haven't opened in months. Every unused app is a potential backdoor for hackers to track your data or access your microphone. This January, make it a habit to delete any app you haven't used in 90 days. Check your app permissions and revoke access to your camera and location for apps that do you and need them. A cleaner phone is a safer phone. Step 2, upgrade your locks. In 2026, traditional passwords are no longer enough. Hackers use AI to crack common passwords in seconds. Your resolution this year? Enable two-factor authentication or 2FA on every single account, especially your bank, email, and what's even better, start using Passkeys. They use your phone's biometrics like Face ID or fingerprint to log you in, making it nearly impossible for a remote hacker to steal your account. It's time to work smarter, not harder. Step 3, stay informed. The biggest threat to your security isn't a virus. It's a lack of awareness. Cyber threats are evolving, from AI voice cloning to sophisticated phishing. My mission at Lodhi Insights this year is to break down complex tech into simple, actionable advice for you. By subscribing today, you aren't just following a channel, you are joining a community dedicated to staying one step ahead of the scammers. 2026 is going to be an incredible year of technology, but only if you stay protected. If you're ready to take control of your digital life, comment 2026 secure below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for your daily dose of tech wisdom. From all of us here at Lodhi Insights, stay smart, stay secure, and have a fantastic new year. Allah Hafiz!